The pressure's dropping on this one.
Yeah, I see it. Let's radio it in.
Deep beneath this ground, millions of barrels of crude oil are pulled to the surface every day.
Keep the pressure steady. Copy, we're almost through the layer.
Cuidado con las manos.
Bájalo, bájalo.
Quedo listo.
The amplitude anomaly suggests a direct hydrocarbon indicator at 5,000 meters. We need to confirm the AVO response.
How deep is the crude oil layer here?
About 3 kilometers down.
The flow rate is spiking at junction 4.
I see it. Rerouting to storage tank 2.
The temperature is stabilizing now. And the pressure gauge on the left, that looks good too.
Condensed fractions drip from pipes. Gasoline, kerosene, diesel, all derived from crude oil.
The pressure on the fractionator is holding steady.
The conversion rate is up. Are we maintaining the temperature?
Yes, everything is within parameters.
This is where heavier crude oil fractions are broken into lighter fuels.
How do you control the breakdown of crude oil here?
Temperature and pressure and pressure, so constant monitoring.
After separation and conversion, crude oil products are stabilized and prepared for final blending.
Each batch of fuel from crude oil is tested before it leaves the refinery. From crude oil deep underground to fuel ready for transport.
Check the pressure drop on the Red River line. Flow rate is fluctuating.
Rerouting to the reserve tank now. We should stabilize within the hour.
Keep an eye on the manifold pressure, looks a little high. Roger that, easing the flow rate now. Keep an eye on the manifold pressure, looks a little high. Roger that, easing the flow rate now.
Every stage of crude oil distribution is monitored to prevent loss and contamination. Began as crude oil, buried deep underground. This process separates the crude oil into various petroleum products, including gasoline.
Pressure reading is still fluctuating.
Let's check the flow rate on diagram 7B again.
Check the flow rate on line 3.
It spiked slightly, but stabilizing now. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge.
The journal of crude oil never truly stops.